Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oswego, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move covers 100 miles within a state or across state lines. Moving over long distances requires a proper preparation. We have a lot of experience helping our clients move their items over long distances. Our movers are highly organized and dependable, and they follow an organized set of procedures throughout the entire move. We pride ourselves on having the top-of-the-line moving trucks, and our drivers are professionals. They are also conversant with highway regulations and follow them religiously. 3 Movers have licenses to move over long distances and suitable insurance policies. Our long-distance services are efficient and satisfactory, and we transfer your belongings to you in excellent condition and on time. Local moves are generally less expensive than long-distance moves. Our local distance services are the best in Oswego. We have excellent customer services and work with our clients' schedules. We are a favorite of locals because we deliver exceptional services at budget-friendly prices. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour, and we are familiar with all the local and highway major routes and know how to move your belongings safely. Your local move is in capable hands when you work with 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oswego moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.